There's two things to know about our day trip to Milford Sound. One, I accidentally left my digital SLR camera back at the lodge, so there was no way to capture any stunning photos of this beautiful place I'd dreamed of for months. And two, I was drenched from head to toe before we even arrived at the visitor centre. I wasn't in a good mood, but I eventually embraced being cold and wet. There were hot drinks and cookies waiting for us on the cruise, fetched for us by a kind Korean man and his friends who squished into the couch beside us. Soon we were laughing and sharing travel stories together. It was a day of great adventure in the wild, rugged wilderness that left me breathless and feeling more alive than ever before.
The shorter of the two permanent waterfalls here at Milford. Up at 480 feet or 146 metres from an excellent example of a hanging valley. Those U-shaped hanging valleys were formed by smaller tributary glaciers gliding their way down from the sides. And the temporary waterfalls can start very quickly, within 1 hour of heavy rain, and then within a couple of hours of the rain stopping and ceased to flow. That is just an average. It certainly doesn't rain every day, far from it in fact. It's more so when it does, at times, it really does not mess around. On the left, over to the Palisades mountain range on the right. Most parts of the field here for a lot of the year. Long-term temporary.
The eye of the storm.
Of course, weekends and myself too, so thanks for travelling with us.
We said goodbye to our Korean friends and trudged back to the car park, desperate to find something warm to eat. We nestled into a cosy corner table at the Milford Sound Lodge, and honestly, it felt like heaven. After battling the elements, a terrible pizza never tasted so good.
Getting ready to go outside.
Yeah, it's torrential. Alright, wish us luck. Huge uncle.
Is that a lightning?
Yeah. We drove home and John once again navigated the stressful drive through torrential rain while I balanced a delicious hot chocolate on my lap. It was a beautiful day, and despite the rain, I am so glad we experienced it the way that we did. As we arrived back at the cabin, eager for hot showers and dry clothes, we had no idea that a very special surprise was arriving for us that next morning. I can't believe it, there's snow on the mountains. We just woke up and John told me and I didn't believe him.